Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I set up my OCD tool. First, let's grind some coffee beans. First, I like to adjust my OCD tool. As you can see, you're going to see the different lines there, the measurement, the shallow as possible. So the way to do that is we have to go counterclockwise, loosen up, and then we are going to adjust so you can actually screw down to go low as possible, okay, shallow as possible. So I'm all the way go down to even past my first line as well. Okay, as you can see, I'm go shallow as possible. So this is my first step. Okay, once I done that, lock it in, and I'm gonna do the initial distribution. Looks pretty good so far. And then, as you can see on that corner right there, we're not quite there yet. Okay, we need to do another adjustment. But the goal of distribution is we don't want to tamp it, okay? We just want to distribute the puck evenly, and then we can do the tamping. Okay, right now we are at number 1, kind of first line right there. We are going to be slightly make a little higher, okay? Undo that. And then we are going to adjust a little higher. Maybe that much, okay? Tiny bit up. Then we are going to lock it in again. And as you can see, everything looks perfect. Only thing we gotta do is just tamp and pull the shot. Shot looks fantastic. Overall experience is great. Okay, I love using OCD. The one thing I don't want to say I don't like about this, but as you saw, there a little bit left. Okay, the little bit left, the coffee grounds left on the surface there. It's not a big deal. It's such minuscule. I mean, just so tiny amount. But you know, sometimes it can be a little annoying at the time. But it's not a big deal. Okay, but overall experience is fantastic. I love using it. As you saw, I mean, it comes to adjustment is so easy. I love the OCD give you the line, the measurement, so you know what to do next time if you go up or down. Anyway, I hope this video helps, and then I'm going to see you guys next time.